Okay, so it is 10:30. I am tired, ready to be done with this. We're doing a twist out, obviously. So I went ahead and did like the back, and then I will just do the front on camera. The styling product that I'm using is this gel from Camille Rose. This is the Lavender Crush Defining Gel. So I'm using this for my twist out, and that's just what we've got going on. I have used this gel before, but I used it for a wash and go. So I thought I would give it a try on a twist out, which I don't do twist outs like hardly ever. So I hope that this turns out decent. I kind of just wanted to give my hair a break from all of the ponytails and buns, because I have been slicking my hair every day. I've just been loving that slick look, and it's hot outside. I just been liking my ponytails and my buns, but we're gonna give those a rest for a few days. So I am just going through, detangling, applying the gel, and then twisting my hair. So I've been twisting kind of like 3/4 of the way down, and then I am coiling the ends. Like that. So that is what I'm doing. I don't know, I feel like my hair is so soft. So sometimes like my twists want to unravel. They don't want to stay put. I don't know. Sometimes my texture, I just don't feel like my texture is the best for twist outs. But it could just be me. Alrighty, so I'm just gonna speed up the rest. Literally just gonna be detangling each section, applying the gel, and twisting my hair. So we're gonna speed this up. Okay, so it has been a full 24 hours plus some. So if the hair isn't dry at this point, it is what it is. So I'm gonna just go ahead and unravel. I usually like to put some type of oil on my hands while I'm unraveling, just to help prevent frizz. So I'm gonna take this Afro Sheen. This is the Glow Up Shine Spray. Really like the packaging of this. I'm gonna just take this and spray it on my hands and use it that way. I'm not sure if something is wrong with this nozzle, but this kind of comes out, I don't know. But as you can see, hands are very wet looking and oily, so this will be perfect for that. I just think maybe I got a bad bottle, not sure. Anyway, we're gonna start unraveling. Okay, so this is what we've got so far. Wait, I need to take this one down. So this is what we have got. I've got some good definition. The shrinkage is real, but that is just life. So I'm trying to decide if I want to continue to separate. I'm kind of leaning towards not doing it just because that creates more frizz, and also it's very hot where I'm at, so I'm scared to even go outside because I feel like as soon as I go outside it's just gonna poof right up. But what I will say is I do have nice definition. I feel like I'm getting the twist outs down, so that is great. Finger coiling the ends towards the ends, that definitely helped. Girl, I'm finding more twists. Hold on. Okay. I have some really good definition going on, and I think I'm just gonna try to leave it like this. I would love to stretch it a little bit, but I think I'm gonna just chill for now. This is the product that I used. Again, the Lavender Crush Defining Gel from Camille Rose. I like this for twist outs. I think it did a good job at helping with definition. And it wasn't like super crunchy. I mean, some of the twists in the back felt a little stiff, but like nothing crazy. So I'm just gonna pick it just a little bit. So I think I am gonna stretch it just a little bit. I wanna stretch kind of this section. I stretch my hair using heat, so I'm just gonna take my blow dryer and I'm just gonna focus this on the roots. Okay, so I ended up stretching it a little bit more than I intended to do. I just kind of stretched it a little bit all over, but I do feel like even that little bit made a difference. Yeah, this is my twist out. I think it looks pretty good. I'm not mad at it. I just know as soon as I walk out of this house, it's gonna be over for the girl, especially the roots. They're gonna be done for. It is very hot. So now I'm just going to lay the edges a little bit. And I am using edge control for this. I don't know why I'm smelling them. I'm gonna go in with this edge tamer. I think this is 24-hour edge tamer. It's a really tiny one, so I can't see the title, but it's by Eben, New York. So I'm just gonna take some of this and lay my edges. There you go. There you have it. This is my twist out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe for weekly content. Check out my other videos. I'm gonna just leave them here so you can check those out. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one.